mopogore opogore norumo kawuono e alap ma Kasarani. Romo ma kamano manotelne kod Jono Haga, men jakom duol mochung'ne rango chike mag tuke, nowinjo kwayo mar kidienje mopogore mag tuke. Riwruoge mag tuke mopogore opogore pacho ka nowacho dwaro margi ka gidwaro ni Kenya oyaw thuolo ne kit tuke manyien ma ok osebedo e pacho ka.
Some, unfortunately, also including some sports officers, expect us to perform poorly. This was also technical investment one has to put up to bring up.
The contributions that we have had from different federations actually forms the whole idea of what is required. You know, when the world is moving very fast, and we are part of the world system. And as we look at what other people are doing, we must also come and discuss ourselves and say, what do we need to do? What are the areas that we need to look at?
Yeah, I'm excited about this because it's a space that, or it's an initiative that actually enhances accountability and also involvement of us in the decision making. However, my desire is to see our feedback being taken seriously and not just a space where we give reviews and then what comes out is something else.
As a task force, we have now embarked on stakeholder participation. This afternoon, we have just completed a very, very successful forum with federations, talking about what the role of federations is. We have really had a rich discussion with federations about governance, the shortcomings in governance, what the aspirations of federations are, what their responsibility should be.